What's up, guys? It's another daily vlog, part of the Vilom Files. Magic. If you don't know it, then you know you're fine. You're good. Magic's an addicting game. I enjoy it thoroughly. My brother also enjoys it thoroughly. It is something that our group and everything has played for a little while now. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna play a little bit of Magic and see how it happens. I've already lost twice. Almost pulled a win off of one, but I got slaughtered the second time. But let's see how it works for the rest of the night. Okay, so I haven't won tonight at all because I need to burn a commander over there. There's a microwave. I could probably throw it in there and probably do some damage, right? Right? Throw it in the microwave? Okay. Anyway, guys, Magic's fun. If you don't play it, I recommend playing it. It's a good way to, well, just have a good time, but at the same time, sometimes your stress level decides to go a little bit too high because, well, stupid commanders like that deserve to die every day. Every day. Yeah. All right, guys, till next time, this is Violent Files, out.